Hey guys, it's been a while. I'm Brian from Ego Robotics. The purpose of today's video is to challenge the Ascender, so we chose to take place in the Loft, because the Loft is known for its narrow staircase. We want to show you how the Ascender is going to conquer the spiral and curved stairs, because there's a lot of people been asking about it in the open group chat. Since this is our first time here, we'll let Ascender scan and build the map first. Let's start cleaning the living room now. Some members in the group said the cleaning route in the previous video wasn't completely straight because the machine was in engineering mode and the path wasn't smoothened yet. Our engineer have been working on it and the algorithm have been improved recently. You can see the current cleaning route is way straighter than before. In order to save time, let's speed up the whole process. After cleaning the central area, Ascender started to clean the edges. There are also many people in our group chat asking about the edge cleaning capability. Today, we will take another closer look. Okay, the first floor has been cleaned. Now it's time for the second floor. People might ask about how the Ascender knows where the stairs at and where the exact location to climb the stairs. And that's when an algorithm takes part. When the Ascender scans and builds the map, he knows exactly where the stairs at. The Ascender scored into the first step steadily and started mopping horizontally. Looks stable, and if the rest are the same, then we will just fast forward. We came to the most difficult place. The steps in this corner are very small, but as long as the 14 x 15 centimeters rectangle can fit in, the Ascender can climb out. The next section is larger, so it won't be a problem. The one behind also looks the same. Let's just fast forward. Let's bring the stairs to the second floor. Here we are at the second floor. Let's start cleaning. So the second floor has been cleaned. Now the Ascender will have to return to the base station for self-cleaning. There are also people from our group chat asking whether the Ascender can go down the stairs. Well, it's basically the reverse move of going up the stairs. It's kind of boring though. Here we are back on the first floor again. Let's start returning to the base station. Now the room has been cleaned, and the Ascender is successfully docked to the base station to finish 3 processes, which are auto emptying the bin in Ascender, mop washing, and mop drying. One of the unique features of Ascender is the fully enclosed base station, which can greatly enhance the mop drying efficiency and full machine sterilization. So don't worry about the leftover bacteria inside. When the base station done busying, I'll show you the result. Here's the base station, and it's still kind of warm. As I open up, you're going to see 3 things. First is the dust bag, the clean water container, and there's still water left for the next cleaning, and a dirty water collector. And this is the end of today's videos. Thanks for watching.